Mozambique, a country in southeastern Africa, boasts a stunning coastline stretching over 2,470 kilometers along the warm Indian Ocean. This coastline is more than just beautiful scenery. It's a haven for an incredible variety of bird life. The mosaic of habitats, from sandy beaches and rocky shores to mangrove forests and estuaries, provides rich feeding grounds and safe nesting sites for numerous bird species. The abundance of fish and marine life in the waters off Mozambique's coast makes it an ideal location for seabirds to feed and raise their young. Many of these birds are migratory, traveling thousands of miles to reach this avian paradise. The coastline's unique geography, influenced by the Agulhas current, plays a crucial role in supporting this rich biodiversity. Mozambique's coastline is a birdwatcher's paradise, home to a dazzling array of species, each with its own unique characteristics and behaviors. Keep an eye out for the iconic African penguin, easily recognizable by its black and white plumage and waddling gait. These birds gather in colonies on offshore islands, their calls echoing across the waves. Look to the skies to spot majestic seabirds like pelicans soaring effortlessly. These large birds, with their distinctive throat pouches, are a common sight along the coast. Graceful terns dive bomb into the water, their sharp beaks snatching small fish. On the shores, busy plovers scurry along the water's edge, their camouflage helping them blend in with the sand. The nesting habits of Mozambique's coastal birds are as diverse as the birds themselves. Some species, like the crab plover, prefer to nest in simple scrapes in the sand, relying on their cryptic coloration to protect their eggs from predators. Others, like terns, form bustling colonies on sandy beaches or rocky islands, their nests closely packed together. The timing of nesting often coincides with the availability of food. For many species, the arrival of large schools of fish triggers the breeding season. During this time, the coastline comes alive with the sights and sounds of courtship displays, nest building, and the constant care of chicks. Section 4. Winged journeys across the ocean. Many of the birds that call Mozambique's coast home are migratory, undertaking incredible journeys across vast distances. Some species, like the sooty shearwater, breed in the southern hemisphere during the austral summer and then migrate thousands of miles to the North Atlantic to spend the rest of the year. These epic migrations are driven by the changing seasons and the availability of food. As temperatures drop and food becomes scarce in their breeding grounds, the birds take to the skies, navigating by the stars, the sun, and the Earth's magnetic field. Their arrival in Mozambique coincides with the warmer months and the abundance of fish, providing them with the resources they need to breed and raise their young. Section 5. Guardians of the coast. Mozambique's coastal birds are more than just beautiful creatures. They play a vital role in the marine ecosystem and serve as important indicators of the health of our oceans. As top predators, they help to regulate fish populations. Their presence or absence can signal changes in the marine environment, such as pollution or overfishing. Protecting this vital habitat is crucial not just for the survival of these magnificent birds, but for the health of the entire planet. By understanding the important role these birds play and the threats they face, we can all work together to ensure that Mozambique's coastline remains a haven for bird life for generations to come.